Hello everybody and welcome to our lesson number 3, Spanish numbers 21 to 100. In case if you've missed our last lesson, lesson number 2, numbers 1 to 20 Spanish, please refer to that lesson as it will help you in this lesson and also it will make this lesson very easy for you. So, are you guys ready? Let's get started, guys. Let's get started with the series of 20. If you don't know what is 20, please refer to our last class in which we have already told numbers from 1 to 20. 20 is 20 and 1 is uno. So it will be 21. Let's see how it goes. Oh, there is a change. 21. Let me explain it here. A small concept for the 20s. 20 ends with E and there is an and between 20 y uno. So E and Y becomes a I. So it is called 21. Let's see the other numbers. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and there you go. It is 30, 30. Now there will be a slight change from 30 to 100, which we will see next. In 30 to 100, we add an and to all the numbers. And is represented by a Y, that is Y in Spanish. Let's see that. 30 is 30, 1 is uno, 30 y uno, 31. Next number for you guys is 35. 30 is 30, 5 is 5. So 35. 38. 30 is 30, 8 is 8, 38. This will be a normal pattern for all the other numbers from 30 to 100. We will always add an and between all the numbers. So now let's see what are 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So let's get going. 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70. There is only a T change. So mind the pronunciation, guys. 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. So we are done with our 1 to 100 countings. You can refer to this slide where we have given all the numbers 1 to 100 for you to refer. Hope you understood the countings from 21 to 100 and now you will be able to count 1 to 100 in Spanish. So in case of any challenges, guys, you can put your doubts in the comment section below, or else you can reach out to us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. We will be happy to help you. And do like the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update, as we will be soon coming up with our lesson number 4. Bye.